Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time. I will be uploading a barbecue video that we did yesterday, but it's gonna be after this. Today we had sudden plans to go to the beach with our friend's family, and we are already on the way. So this is Sarfraz Khan, already set to go to the beach. And yeah, like normally कोई प्लान बनता है तो for me I have to prepare myself कि जाना है या नहीं जाना है या क्या करना है, but I have noticed that I am getting really spontaneous these days कि चलो whatever it is, let's
Thanks
just
to me.
let's just
Thanks to me. Thanks to me.
let's just do
I
it.
made her like that
Yeah, so
because my plans are spontaneous, spot on.
yeah, could be, but yeah, it's fun. Like अचानक से plan करना, अचानक से निकल जाना. I also had a lot of things that I packed. So when I move out of my house, I make sure I have enough food because I get very hungry and thirsty. View बहुत अच्छा है. So I'll show you. It's so peaceful, so beautiful, and it's summer, my favorite season of the year. And yeah, I'm just loving going to the beach. Also, I am in my 3rd trimester now, so baby will be coming soon. I just have like 2 months, and then in August baby can come anytime. I am scared and excited. Mixed feelings. Tomorrow is the 3D scan that we're going to have. I'll probably try to put that video up as well soon. I know I haven't told the gender of the baby yet. I will tomorrow anyways. And yeah, June is the last month for me to just go out on a vacation, because I think July I will be pretty much cleaning my house and just setting up everything for my baby to come, and resting and eating and taking care of myself, and just showing you every little bits of things that I get from my baby. And it's also really hard for us to search a good name. So if you have any good suggestion for boy names or girl names, do let me know in comments. And if you know me personally and you have my number, you can just text me on WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you feel like. I really need name suggestions. There is one name that we have already finalized, but we will not reveal that. But in case I get any better name other than that, we are open to that. Uske alawa, anything you want to say?
That's good. You know what I mean?
So here's the thing, we go for chalo, I will keep some things for later so that I have more for my next videos too. I'll tell the story later on in the next video. So I have a new update. We were going to the beach, but something has happened to the beach. The police has sealed the beach, and now we are stuck. Maybe we'll go to a park. And this is my baby bump. My cute little baby's in here. First park visit inside my tummy, if that makes sense. Are you enjoying? Yeah.
अपोजिट एक बीच है, लेकिन वो 30 मिनट्स फिर जाना पड़ेगा.
आज काले होने वाले जबरदस्त.
Give me my phone and tell you. You're so small. You're so small. You're so small.
It is so hot. Are we the same height? Yeah.
We have the same height.
ये भी
We
अच्छी
sit
है
here.
आपको बता रहा हूँ। ऊपर से है, नीचे से लेके
I forgot my cap today. Yeah.
Arey, it's a channel. It's a channel.
Hmm.
Right now.
हाँ चैनल है ये। So we cannot go there. That's it.
अच्छा इसको बाद में एडिट करके गाना लगाओगी?
Yeah. कोई भी सॉन्ग डालते हैं ना तो कॉपीराइट क्लेम आ जाता है, तो सॉन्ग डाल सकते हैं, वो टिंग म्यूजिक डालनी पड़ती है।
क्या बोला?
कुछ भी थ्योरी तरह बोला there is one shark there. मजे ले रहा था। अरे यार बीच क्लियर कर दिया ना।
अपनी किस्मत में है नहीं अभी बीच जाना।
डूब जाता हूँ, हाँ। डूबता भी नहीं हूँ, पैर निकाल के चप्पल छोड़ देता हूँ।
Oh yeah, better be careful. Oh my God, that's a lot of water.
Hmm. Put it in the plate.
वो कबाब मिक्स से बनाए थे या नॉर्मल ग्राइंडर? जब सिकंदर जब आया था, तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगे।
So this is the end of the video. We did not do much there. We just sat and ate sandwiches. So yeah, कुछ नहीं, हमने sandwiches खाए, carrots खाए और watermelon खाया और फिर बस थोड़ी बातें करी और आ गए घर। ज़्यादा टाइम हम नहीं रुके थे, so there's not much to that. But tomorrow is an exciting day. We'll vlog tomorrow and show you the 4D scan. So until then, take care